Why do people fight in their romantic relationships? And all of us fight at some point or the other. One of the fundamental reason why people fight a lot is their communication style. Let me explain. So there are three communication style. On the one extreme, we have submissive style of communication. The other extreme is aggressive communication. And somewhere in the middle is assertive communication. A submissive person would be all about the other person, their need, their emotions, their feelings, while an aggressive person would be all about his or her own needs and emotions rather than focusing on the what the other person need, what the other person is feeling. And then comes the assertive communication where the person attends to and gives importance to his or her feelings, needs, and expectation, and at the same time acknowledging and giving importance to the same for the other person. And it's a we feeling that both of us are important rather than I'm more important or the other person is more important. I would suggest you to read more about assertive communication. It has the potential to transform your romantic relationship. For more such information about mental health and romantic relationship related topics, follow our channel Coach for Mind. Take care.